Hey everyone, so I want to show you how to clean your dotting tools. So these are the ones that I have, and these are made out of just like plastic. I think it's just acrylic plastic, so these are solid. And then these are my wood stylus that I love. As you can tell, they are definitely well loved. I haven't tried this cleaning method on those yet, but on these, they clean them really well. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need just a rag and then soft scrub. Okay, so this does take a little bit of elbow grease to do, but I mean, the paint comes off pretty easily. I had my dotting tool, but apparently I've misplaced it, which happens a lot in my art room. But just pour some on there. Whoops, that's a bit much. I'll just spread it around a little bit. And then all you gotta do is just put your, all I'm doing is just twisting this guy a bit, and the stuff is just coming right off. So got some paint buildup there. So you can see there was some paint buildup there, but this does take a little bit of elbow grease. So I mean, they're not gonna like magically come off. The paint's not magically gonna come off, but look at that, way better than what it was. Check this out. So this is probably my worst one that I have, but look, all clean. Let's do this side. So all I'm doing is just twisting it in the towel with the cleaning solution in there. Look at that, pretty cool. So the soft scrub was in my cleaning bucket, and I remember I used to use it long time ago to clean like my tub, which I don't know if that's what it was. I should be using it for, because I see the newer stuff says it's like for dishes, but I'm sure it's probably perfectly safe for this stuff. Look at that, look how clean that is. Wow, almost brand new. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna try these ones, see what happens. All right, let's find my dirtiest one. This one's pretty dirty. Wow, check that out. Looks like some of the paint around the wood is starting to come up, maybe. Looks like it a little bit. So maybe not recommended for these ones, but you could probably use it on the tips because those are made out of metal. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. All right, cool. Looks like that works just great. I mean, it's still got a little bit more work, but hey, try a little bit of this guy on a rag, and you will have some clean dotting tools. Hey, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please leave a comment and let me know what you think. And if you have any other ideas of how you clean your dotting tools, I would love to hear it. So make sure to share, and I'll talk to you guys later.